had to go to the bathroom. So she'll be back. Look it. She's back. And look at her bones. Why doesn't Mariah want to say hi? Is she being a booty? Hence, her booty. I think she's being PMSy. Premenstrual cycle. But see, let's see. You just admitted to it. She's a booty head.
Yeah, a text.
What does that say?
Guess what? I'm already done with that. So.
What does that say? Eric, oh, yes or no? Smile.
Put your hand right here. And I'm gonna slap you right here after I just slapped you.
She is making me very upset. Dumb blonde. Even though she's brunette, she looks like a dumb blonde sometimes.